G'day guys and girls, welcome back to another video. I've got my work shirt on and today I am going to be installing the Autobeam LED sequential indicator set. These are a direct replacement for the whole indicator unit that sit in your mirrors on the Mk7 Fiesta ST. They're very well packaged as you'd expect from Autobeam. You can see through the back, the quality looks good. Let's get them open and we'll have a closer look. Okay, once you get this out of the pack, you can really see that it's an OEM quality part. Down to the clips, little rubber insulation around where the wires go into the housing to stop moisture. The wiring looks nice. They've even put a nice little bit of plastic over here to protect it during shipping. I hope that you can see that the LEDs are all nice and straight as well. That was something that was discussed before I bought these. All my other stuff's Autobeam. I know it's good stuff. It comes with warranty. Their customer service is good. So yeah, why wouldn't I? These ones also have a switch, so you can have them as a sequential indicator, so lighting up one at a time until there's a line, or you can have the whole line light up all at once. There's just some foam padding here as well, just to go against your mirror cap also. You know, they've thought of lots of little things, so really happy with the quality of these. Let's get them on the car. It'll be a nice quick install, this one. This is the unit that we're replacing today. I've already got an Autobeam bulb in there, but we're replacing the entire unit with a sequential one. I'm going to pop the mirror cap off. Make sure that your mirror itself is pointing down and inwards a little bit, because you need to get your trim removal tool or a small flathead screwdriver. You need to pop that clip, and the one just in there also. So I'll do that and we'll have a look at what's inside. So here is where we've just unclipped from, which are these three clips just here. Now we need to unclip this. There is another clip that is around there, but you can't actually get to it. It's just like a locating hole that clips in there somewhere. So let's get on to removing this. It's really quite easy to remove this. Grab your stock bulb, pull that out, move that out of the way, or if you've upgraded your bulb. And now with this clip, just be careful because it is only plastic, but you just push it in enough that that comes out and then it pulls out. It's as easy as that, and replacing the Autobeam unit will be as easy as doing the reverse. Here's just a quick comparison. This is the OEM Ford one, this is the Autobeam one. You know, they still have their little seals. You can see the straight LED strip versus where the standard globes sit, or my Autobeam bulbs. And then on the back, again, just very similar. You've got your clips and your two tabs here. The only difference being that this is all wired in, so this goes into where your bulbs plug in. So we'll go do that now. So it really is as easy as locating these tabs around here. Make sure it sits nice and flush. Move the switch out the way, and then you can just push it and make sure it clicks in, and that's it. And here they are installed. They look absolutely awesome, nice and straight, just OEM fit. They fit up really nicely. Can't ask for anything easier than that. We'll go around the other side, because you've also got the option of just having it come on as a solid straight line like that, which is just this little switch. So you can switch that, and I'm going to have them running sequential. That's why I bought them, which is pretty cool. What I will say is this cable's quite short, so make sure you plug it in before you fit the housing. To refit your mirror cap, you've got these three little holes. You have three little tabs just at the bottom of your mirror cap there, And what you want to do is slide them in, and then these 3 clips that you popped out with your screwdriver will fit back in there, and you just push it on. It just takes a bit of a wiggle. There you go, another really easy Autobeam install done. As you'd expect with Autobeam, the quality is excellent. The fitment is just spot on. It's nice and easy to do. Probably would have taken me about 10 minutes all up. Took a little bit longer because I was filming, but you know, I believe that with Autobeam you get what you pay for. The quality's second to none, the customer service is second to none. It's got a 5-year warranty, so you can't go wrong. Alright, I'll go to some before and afters with the standard globes, the upgraded Autobeams, and these in the daytime and at night. Thanks for watching, guys.